Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix an issue when you want to download and install Call of Duty Mobile but you can't seem to find it on the Google Play Store for POCO F4. So let's open Google Play Store. From here we can try finding Call of Duty. But there's no real game right here. So in order to fix this, we'll need to go back. Here click on the profile icon, move to the settings, reveal family, go for parental controls, and now there's two ways we can fix that. The first one is to disable parental controls entirely right here, enter your PIN and select OK. Next is to click on apps and games, enter your PIN code, click OK, and right here increase PG to at least 16. Make sure you save that, go back, search for Call of Duty again, and here we can find it and install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.